Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off auto system update on Android 13 phone, and um, the minimum is Android 11. You can turn off your auto system update. So first thing to do, you can go to the settings on your phone. You can scroll down and try to search software update. This is the software update. You can tap it. So in the software update, you can try to tap three dot or two dots at the top of your screen. And here we go. This is the auto download. You can turn off auto system update. By default is by Wi-Fi, but you can turn off or do not allow auto download. And also you can turn off auto update overnight. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.